Hey, this is my friend Evelyn. She's the one that's been prepping all of my meals for me. Her Instagram is, what is it?
Delighted Fit Meals.
Awesome, and I will put that in the caption on here. So for this week, we got some steak and asparagus and this lovely, delicious hot sauce. Some ground sirloin and hot sauce, and then some chicken and green beans, and then chicken and white rice for post-workout. So she's gonna tell us why it's so important to have your meals prepped for the week. So Evelyn, why is having all of your meals ready to go, why is that so important, you know, when you're trying to stick to a meal plan or a workout program or whatever?
Well, when you have your meals ready to go, they're there. You just grab them, put them on the microwave for 2 minutes, and you're ready to go. It helps you stay on track. It saves you time. It saves you money. You never have to do any grocery shopping. You don't have to cook. You don't have to wash dishes. Everything's already there. So imagine all the time that is saving you. And time, it's very valuable. You get to do a lot of other things. If you're a busy person, you have a job, you go to school, like it's saving you all this time to get your meals ready for the whole week.
Oh yeah, well, like especially like somebody like me, you know, who's self-employed, like, you know, time is literally money, and you know, I did the math. You save me like 15 hours a week between washing dishes, throwing things in the trash, taking things in and out of the dishwasher, going to the grocery store, going back from the grocery store, utilities to wash dishes. My utility bill was actually lower. And so, you know, I actually did the math on that. I charge $85 an hour for a personal training session. So after I pay you for the week, I still make $1,200 in like extra time.
Exactly.
You know,
it's so worth it.
And whether I use that time to work or not, I mean, that's still 15 hours a week that I was literally spending doing what you just did, you know, and you know, you could do it much more efficiently, you know, because that's what you do and everything, you know. But yeah, so what's the best way for them to get in contact with you?
You can follow me on my Instagram, I'm Delighted Females, or you can find me on Facebook. I offer meals for females and for males. I offer pork options, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. You get to choose between chicken, turkey meatballs, steak, lean ground beef, tilapia, and then for your carbs, you have the options of choosing steamed white rice. It's cilantro lime. It's super good.
It is delicious.
It's delicious. It's not just plain rice. And then you also get to choose between baked sweet potatoes and red potatoes. And then for your greens, you get really good vegetables. You get asparagus and green beans.
Oh yeah, that's important.
And then the hot sauce is like the bomb.
Yeah, no, it really is, and it's homemade. So guys, I'm gonna put Evelyn's contact info in this video, and then also in the Instagram post that goes along with it, and Facebook. So y'all check her out. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, hey, one more thing. What's your prices?
Oh, it's
People always ask.
$6.50. Yes, it's $6.50 for the females for each meal. It's $7 for the 6 ounces, and then it's $8 for the 8 ounce.
Sweet, awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye.